You chose my fucking father.
Bitch.
Yeah, who's the one still alive?
Oh yeah?
No.
Where'd you go? Wait, where the fuck did you go?
Nowhere.
You no-clipped?
No.
You went invisible!
No, I didn't.
Well, I can't see you.
Oh,
Alright, that's it.
I'm in your
putting
car.
on the Tommy gun loadout.
No, okay, I'm just kidding. Here. Oh.
I'm making no tour, show me unseen.
Piece of shit. Irish twat.
Oh. One like no tour, shots fired.
Oh.
Coming from the back lot of the movies. I am still rocking my fucking Tommy gun loadout. I do not have an LAO loadout.
Good. Use it.
Use the Tommy gun.
Use it.
One like no tour, show me one at gunpoint.
Oh, I hear screaming. Is it this way?
One like no tour, for like 20. I'm at the movie lot, by a fountain.
Oh.
Damn, you're horrible.
You never said right. Go, move. I'm in on you. Go. Or I got you if you got me.
Listen, it's not even a real gun. It shoots blanks.
Okay. Well, okay.
Listen, I could just kick it your way.
No, what I want you to do is go ahead and drop it, actually.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead and drop it first. Okay. Alright, don't move. We'll figure it all out.
I'm not going anywhere.
Okay. No big deal.
It's just a movie. I don't understand how we don't have caution to shoot blanks at a movie theme.
Okay. No big deal. Hold on. We just have a 911 call. We'll figure it all out.
Okay, it's fine. It's just
Okay.
it's stupid.
No, I agree. You got anything else gonna be poke me, hurt me? I'm gonna be searching you here in just a second.
Literally, no, nothing.
Hey, Captain, whatever your face. Did you get the gun? Did you grab that gun?
Oh, no.
I left it on the ground.
It's not even real.
Okay. He's gonna figure that out. I'm gonna make sure you're good. I'm gonna get you out of these cuffs and we're gonna talk.
Okay. See, that's the movie producer and the movie director right there. You can talk to him.
Gotcha. Alright, there we go.
These are all our action guys that do all of it.
Alright, you got anything else? Like I think I already asked, but okay. Alright, perfect. Alright, do me a favor, just have a seat on the hood of the car, okay?
Yeah, that's fine. I ain't going nowhere. I've got fucking a movie to shoot.
Alright. There's a bunch of weird noises around here, I'm not gonna lie to you.
It's a movie. We got all these.
I listen, I get it. What are y'all making? What film?
Explosion of the Johnsons. It's supposed to release in 2026. We just started filming.
What kind of movie is that, if you don't mind me asking?
I can't tell you that information.
Oh, okay. Alright.
Not my wishes.
2026, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What was your name?
Dr. Nathaniel Kleshkov.
Okay, you got an ID, so that way I can...
Not on me. It's in my trailer.
Okay. Which one's your trailer?
One all the way down.
Okay, well... We'll go figure that out here in just a second. I'm gonna find out from him what's going on, and then we'll go from there.
That's a different movie. Don't know what movie that is.
That was like Jurassic Park or something.
Yeah, maybe.
The remake of the remake.
Yeah. Of another remake. Yep, I think that lady just got her head chopped off by a dinosaur.
Well, I've been hearing a scream. I actually thought you were doing something. I've been hearing a scream the whole time. I was running
Yeah.
towards it. Well, whoever.
The hell did he get a golf cart from?
Oh, I seen that guy when I was looking for you. Actually, hey, sorry for pointing my weapon at you. Oh wait, no, that's you. Hey, what's up? No, sorry. Where'd you
They gave
wait?
me a golf cart.
Yeah, I seen the guy that was driving that.
They gave me a golf cart to get around.
So can I go back to my movie scene?
Where's your director?
Literally right there.
This guy, the guy that looks like a technician.
Yeah, he doesn't like to fit the role. I don't know.
You the director?
Oh, okay.
He's also a raging alcoholic.
I mean, that's his prerogative, you know. Is that big Moab thing part of your
Let
scene?
him go.
Oh, okay, yeah, perfect.
Your director
get
has your
back.
firearm.
All right, man.
Well,
Hey,
can I get these cuffs off?
yeah, do me a favor, face away. Yeah.
I gotta get going.
Hey, I appreciate your
Fucking old dude.
cooperation.
Yeah, I mean, I didn't really do anything. I'm innocent.
All right, man.
All right.
Have a good day.
Hey, director, I gotta go. So, maybe when you do.
4 Lincoln 20 to 1 Lincoln 02.
Go.
You want me to try to find out who that 911 caller was, or?
I believe it was secure.
Copy. Move, astronaut.
I don't really know.
God! 4 Lincoln 20, I'm 10-8. We have explosions. The tank is driving on the road. 4 Lincoln 20. The tank, Moab, is driving on the road. It's passing me at Movie Star Way, headed south. 364.
1 Lincoln 2, show me in road.
Oh, multiple explosions. It's blowing up cars. 350, passing the new burger shop that they just put in. He's ramming vehicles out of the way. He's all over the road. Oh, another explosion. Oh, God.
This fucking Charger needs better brakes.
Oh, fire, fire.
I'm pulling back, I'm getting swapped.
Copy, I'm gonna stay on him, behind him. $10.99. Oh, I'm driving through fire. Oh, God. He is Boulevard Del Perro. Oh god, there's fire everywhere. He's Del Perro or Boulevard Del Perro still. Oh Jesus fucking Christ! Oh, looks good down here. Oh god. Oh. No! Oh god. My poor Explorer. Still driving like a champ though, I'll tell you what. No, we're not doing that again.
Be advised, I believe the tank may be leaking fuel.
Oh, it's definitely leaking fuel. Oh, there's so much destruction. So much destruction.
I'm calling the fucking army.
Copy. He's chasing me in circles.
Be advised, Fort Lincoln 20, clear the area. Fighter jets are being scrambled from what I hear.
Copy. He's on the highway, I think. Shots fired by government issued RPG launcher.
Tactical nuke incoming!
Something's happening. Something's happening.
What the fuck is that? What the fuck?
God, we were way up there. Alright. Give video a like. I'll see you in the next one. Later.